Hello students, I'm going to make
many videos,
on the chapter acid, bases and salt, and I'll make
more videos.
also from different chapters of science, chemistry. I will clear all your doubts so that you can learn at home
Peacefully.
In the last class we have already discussed about acids, types of acids.
Today, I'm going to teach you an interesting topic. Before telling you the name of the topic,
Let me first ask you one question. How do you know whether a substance is acidic or basic? It is said that acids are sour to taste and bases are bitter to taste. But is it possible to use your tongue to taste any substance to identify whether it is base or acid? No, not really. It is not possible to use your tongue because acids are too corrosive and some bases are also corrosive. So it will burn your tongue. It is not possible. It is unreasonable to use your tongue to test whether a substance is acidic or base. So there are some methods. Some selected substances are there. So
now let's come to the topic. The topic is indicators. Substances which tell us whether a substance is acidic or basic by change in color are called indicators. Posak amabu acid natraga base ne haibasi masu olaga takpa ngamba posak adubu indicators kawi.
Indicators are of two types. First one is natural indicator and the second one is synthetic indicator. Examples of natural indicators are litmus, turmeric, red cabbage leaf, colored petals of petunia, geranium, hydrangea, and senna rose petals. And on the other side, the examples of synthetic indicators are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. There are so many other synthetic indicators also, but we will mainly focus on these two synthetic indicators. Okay, now let us discuss the indicators one by one. First, let us take up litmus. Litmus is extracted from lichen. Lichen is
Included
in the Thellophyta family. The original color of litmus is purple, and litmus is found in two forms. One is solution and one is paper. Solution is also can be used for testing whether a substance is acidic or basic, but the paper is more convenient to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. For testing whether a substance is acidic or basic, we will use blue litmus also, red litmus also. But let's take orange juice. For testing the orange juice whether it is acidic or basic, we will use the blue litmus paper also. We will take the blue litmus paper and we will dip into the orange juice and we will observe the color change. The blue litmus paper will change into red color, and next we will take the red litmus paper again and we will dip it into the juice and the red color will remain the same. So from this experiment we can confirm that the orange juice is acidic in nature. The blue litmus paper turns into red color. This shows the juice is acidic. So if we dip blue litmus paper into acid, it turns red. So acid can change the color of blue litmus paper into red.
Now let's test a basic solution. As an example, we can take a detergent or sodium hydroxide or any basic solution. Let's dip a red litmus paper into the basic solution. Then the color of red litmus paper will change into blue. So we will observe the change in color of the litmus paper into blue. So base converts red litmus into blue. Okay, now let us summarize the change in colors in acids and bases by the different indicators in this table. First, let us take litmus. Litmus changes its color into red in acid and blue in base. Next indicator is turmeric. turmeric remains yellow in acid and turns red in base. And next indicator is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein remains colorless in acid but turns pink in base. Next, methyl orange. Methyl orange turns red in acid and yellow in base. I will make another video on universal indicator and pH scale, so please wait for it. I hope this video is helpful to you. You can learn at home. Stay at home, stay safe.